हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं इस वीडियो में टॉप 5 MBA और PGDM कॉलेजेस इन अहमदाबाद के बारे में बताऊंगी। कॉलेजेस का लिस्ट और कॉलेजेस का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, अक्रीडिटेशंस, अफिलिएशन, एलिजिबिलिटी, कोर्सेज, फी स्ट्रक्चर, प्लेसमेंट्स एंड लोकेशन, ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन आई विल प्रोवाइड इन दिस वीडियो। तो वीडियो शुरू से एंड तक देखते रहो। फर्स्ट सी द लिस्ट। फर्स्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इज Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Second, Nirma University. Third, Indus University. Fourth, GLS University. Fifth, KS School of Business Management. मैंने हर कॉलेज का फुल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड डिटेल्स दे दूंगी, वीडियो बिना स्किप करके देखते रहो। फर्स्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इज इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, अहमदाबाद. It was established in 1961. Accreditations by UGC. Affiliated to Autonomous University. Next, eligibility. It required graduation with 50% plus CAT score. Next, courses. This institution offers some courses like MBA, PGDM, FPGDM, MPGDM and HR. Next, fee structure. Fee will be 23 lakhs only. Next, प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में बात करें तो हीरो प्राइस, यूए एक्सचेंज, क्राफ्ट, बुज एंड कोडॉट, ओलिवर वेमैन, एक्सेंचर, HSBC, जिंगा, हल, टाटा, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, UBS, RBS, JP Morgan and so on. All this kind of MNC companies are recruiting. Next, location. It is located at Indian Institute of Management, Vasrapur, Ahmedabad, Gujarat 380015. Next institution is Nirma University. It was established in 2003. Accreditations by UGC, AAU and NAAC. Affiliated to private university. Next, eligibility. It required graduation with 50% plus CAT score. Next, courses. This institution offers some courses like MBA, PGDM, FPGDM, MPGDM and HR. Next, fee structure. Fee will be 5,02,000 rupees only. Next, placements. Placements के बारे में बात करें तो ICICI Securities, Saint Gobain, Grindville, Amazon, Samsung, Ample, Infosys and Arianka Networks, Infotech Enterprises and so on. Next, location. It is located at Institute of Technology, Nirma University, SG Highway, Ahmedabad 382481. Next institution is Indus University. It was established in 2012. Accreditations by AICTE and UGC. Affiliated to private university. Next, eligibility. It required graduation with 50% plus CAT or MAT or exact score. ये तो ज़रूरी आना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, कोर्सेज के बारे में बात करें तो MBA, PGDM, FPGDM, MPGDM एंड HR ये कोर्सेज को ऑफर कर रही है इस इंस्टीट्यूशन ने. नेक्स्ट, फी स्ट्रक्चर. फी विल बी 85,000 रुपीज़ ओनली. नेक्स्ट, प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में बात करें तो प्रोवाइड कर रही है टॉप MNCs को. सो ओरेकल, सीमेंस, हेजाकी, सैमसंग, बाइजस, ज़ारो एजुकेशन, IDFC, गोदरेज, टाटा, फोर्ब्स, अपोलो मुनिक, अदानी गैस एंड सो ऑन. नेक्स्ट institution is GLS University. It was established in 2015. Accreditations by UGC and NAAC. Affiliated to private university. Next, eligibility. It required graduation with 50% plus CAT score. Next, courses. This institution offers some courses like MBA, PGDM, FPGDM, MPGDM and HR. Next, fee structure. Fee will be 1,22,000 rupees only. Next, placements. This institution provide placements for students in top MNCs like Eagan Life Insurance, Airtel, Alembic Pharma, Arvind Infrastructure Limited, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, Camex Wellness, DCB Bank, DP Cotton, and so on. Next, location. It is located at GLS University, GLS campus opposite Law Garden, Ellis Bridge, Ahmedabad 38006. Next institution is KS School of Business Management. It was established in 1993. Accreditations by AICTE, affiliated to GU, Gujarat University. Next, eligibility. It required graduation with 50% plus CAT score. Next, courses. This institution offers some courses like MBA, PGDM, FPGDM, MPGDM and HR. Next, fee structure. Fee will be 18,000 rupees only. Next, placements. This institution provides placements for students in top MNCs such as ADC Bank, Adani Group, Ahmedabad Stock Exchange, Ambuja Cement, Amul Fed, Arvind Limited, Angel Broking, Aditya Birla Group, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, and so on. Next, location. It is located at KS School of Business Management, Gujarat University Campus, Ahmedabad 38009. A है अहमदाबाद में टॉप 5 MBA और PGDM colleges. If you want more information, please visit our website graduatesengine.com. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new notifications.